After a long night of and we woke up in Innsbruck, Austria. We spent the morning walking around the beautiful town. After that, we left for Füssen, Germany. But before I hand you off to Max, I'll warn you, he got a new haircut. And he looks a little bit like a chicken. But don't tell him I said that. But without further ado, here he is. Right now we're taking a little quick stop and check out this view. We've arrived in the hotel. What do you think, Lena?
2 out of 5.
2 out of 2. It's a pretty nice room, and we have an epic view. Anyways, it's 3 o'clock, and we still haven't even eaten lunch yet, so
I'm not hungry.
we're not even that hungry, though. I'm surprised. I thought I'd be starving.
I'm gonna go to Oversum, okay?
She's gonna go try to find the Wi-Fi, but I'm gonna go edit.
Autofahrer. Dann vielleicht erstmal irgendwas.
It's quite chilly where we are right now. We're staying in Füssen, and it's 42 degrees. What does it feel like? Yeah, it feels like 38. It's pretty chilly. The town we're staying in is Füssen, so we're back in Germany. So we spent last night in Austria, and now we're dipping into Germany, and then tomorrow we're going back into Austria. And one cool little thing is the view of our room. You can see the snow catchers, or whatever they're called, so that snow doesn't fall down. It's a cool little thing that they have. In 15 minutes, we're gonna go out and get something to eat. So yeah, stay tuned for that. What'd you get, Lena?
I got currywurst.
Looks good. What? There's someone in our closet, Lena. Oh, you? Have you been watching my whole day? Creepy. Just kidding. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm tired. It's 11 o'clock, so I'll see you in the next video. Whoops. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. It's been a fun day. Yeah. Thanks for staying tuned. See you guys in the next one.